gayon? Everready? Aba yan ano? AAA?
Alay.
Yung Everready?
Ang maliliit niya.
Ang gusto mo, maliliit?
Hindi, yung pang-ilaw. Kaya mahal na rin, 119.
Matagal naman yan.
Ha?
Oh, Energizer.
Pabili ng isa.
We are here at City Mall.
Pabili ng isa.
Bayad kami ng kuryente. Ubus na naman ang pera. Ganda naman itong may yellow, ano? Red o kaya gray at saka black. Hindi ito diumihin, ano?
Hindi daw nila.
Ito kay Tandumi.
May tando na yan.
Tatagal hanggang 4 na taon. Matibay naman siya, no? We are ordering at McDonald's.
Busog ako. Nanonood ako ng bihag. Ang ganda ng bihag eh. Pinatay yung bianan yung ano yung pumatay yung babae niya. Pero bibintang nga yung asawa niya.
Grabe ang kilay. Ang pangit. What kind of kilay is this? Guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. This is what I look like when I don't have powder or anything in my face. Mabigat yan. Tutulungan kita. Teka.
Nandiyan na si Babu. Wala ka.
Mabigat ang kahon. Paninda.
Paris gawa na yung mga kahong arin. Dami tatapong kahong din.
Ating isushoot do sa basurahan na yun. Sa truck. come here. Tim, I'll show you. Yay, I show you your bag. It seems like it's Hawk. Basahin mo. Hawk. Yes. Go, 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 go. Go get it. Yes. Don't lose the receipt because if we lost the receipt, we cannot give it back if it's we cannot return it because basahin mo nga to.
Walk.
Hawk. H-A-W-K.
Ano yan?
Hawk.
Hook ba yan?
Yeah. This one matibay. This one is Hawk. Matibay. Look at that. What do you say? Oh, you like it? It's big.
It's big and heavy.
Big and heavy. Look at that. Oh,
Oh,
it's yours. You like it? Do you like it? Yes. Oh, I will take it off. Okay. This one is the receipt. Okay, take your take your bag inside. Oh. Do you like it? Are you excited to go to school? Huh? Whoa! Show mommy. That's for your water bottle. Water bottle. And there's a lunch bag. Oh, we have to cut the thing. Get inside. We cut there inside. Oh, look at that, so big. Cause you are grade 1 now. You're gonna be grade 1, so you have a lot of books to bring to school. You will have to take a lot of books, 8 books and 8 notebooks.
I cannot.
Oh, yan. Carry it, carry. Oh. Did you cut it? Oh, yeah. This is Tim's bag. Oh, look at that. It's heavy and nice.
I cut.
Cut it, cut it.
I cut.
Watch out. Oh, good job. Show daddy your lunch box.
Look, Hawks. Lunch box. Lunch.
Do you like it? Did you like it?
Yes.
Aww. Thank you, Daddy. washing the car. I'm done washing the building. I'm done washing the bikes. And I done cleaning the floor. Whew.